Hi, you guys. This is week 16. We have reached the end, and you should really, really congratulate yourselves because this hasn't really been easy on anybody. And you have stuck to this. You've done some amazing work. And gosh, I can't wait to get back in January to actually having students that you can talk to and see and all that good stuff. But we did the best we could, and I think you've done an excellent job. So you have one more obstacle. It's not an obstacle, it's just this final that's tomorrow. And I wish you all super well. I thank you for sticking with me and coming to these classes and looking at the material. And sometimes you guys humble me because that dedication really is pretty amazing given that we're so distant. So I've really enjoyed this, being the leader here, and I hope you do super, super well tomorrow. And then in January, come see me if you can during an office hour that I have on campus, and maybe I can meet some of you because it's been my pleasure. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.